So I know this is a little bit different of an angle, but we're gonna film what's in my diaper bag. Alright, so we need a lot more space for this video, and as you could tell, my bag is literally as big as me. It is huge, but I need everything inside of it, or at least I think I do. And you just never know what type of situation is going to come up that you may need something for. We're going to start with the side pockets. I also have no idea what's in my bag, and I'm kind of scared. And yeah. So the first thing I have in here is my aligner case, so that when I do eat, I can put my, what we call my teeth away. And I already feel something that I know is going to be embarrassing. Well, not so much embarrassing, because if you're a female, then you understand. You never know when you're going to get your period. So I have a menstrual cup in here at all times. What else do we have? Oh, I'm just dropping things already. I have my first lip product. I have a feeling I'm going to have quite a few. And this one is Vaseline Lip Therapy Original, and it's melted. I'm going to start a pile of just lip products because I know myself, and I know I have a ton. And then I have wax, and that's again for my aligners. Hand sanitizer. This one is Pink Peach Blossom from Bath & Body Works. A receipt that I'm sure I don't need. Nope. On to the next side pocket. I have Cliff Bars. They're smushed. I have a white chocolate macadamia nut, and then I have an oatmeal raisin walnut, and a chocolate chip. If I know myself, I'm sure I have another one in here, because I usually have one per kid, and the other two are grown-up ones. So like if my husband and I are hungry while we're out, I have a snack. I have a phone charger, but it's not even my phone charger. It's actually for one of our therapists. She left it, and I grabbed it so that we can give it back to her, and I forgot. A silicone placemat for when or if we go out to eat with the little one. She can have her food on the silicone mat because she does not use a plate or anything yet. God forbid we use a plate. The front pocket, I have my wallet. I'm not opening this up just in case. I have my Saint products, just a couple. It's not really anything special. It's just my normal colors in case I need to touch up while I'm out. I have my aligner removers. I have my second lip product, which is the e.l.f. Ride or Die. It's an awesome lip product. I love it. My second lip product. This is the Pretty Basic Lip Oil. I have two makeup brushes from Saint. I have the Maracuja Juicy Lip by Tarte, and this is in the color Coconut. It's so pretty. I really like this one. This is definitely one of my go-tos. So I'm already up to 5 lip products. This is the Malin plus Goetz Mojito Lip Balm. I don't even know where I got it. We have a teething necklace for the baby. We have hair ties galore in here, which I clearly don't even need anymore, but my oldest daughter needs them. Another hand sanitizer, again by Bath & Body Works, and it is Be Happy. I also have, what is this? Young Living Essential Oils, the Thieves. I like to spray this on the tables before we sit down to eat. And then I have more essential oils. We have Focus, Focus, Focus Synergy Blend, and this is from Eden's Garden. And then I also have Breathe Easy. I have a lot of allergy issues, so it just kind of helps me to, since I can't roll it on right now because of the baby, oh gosh, I love that smell. I still can smell it, and it helps me to breathe a little bit easier. A random mechanical pencil. I don't even remember putting that in here. More hair ties. The traditional ones. Another lip product. This is the Shea Moisture Vegan Lip Balm in Replenish and Rejuvenate. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lip products. Oh, here it is. Here's another Cliff Bar. So there's all 4 of them. Then I have a Thrive Thirst in case someone's dehydrated. We have something that we can use because it has electrolytes. And then this is interesting. Tahine bottles, little ones, because my older 2 kiddos put this on everything. I have 2 masks here just floating around and a mask insert. The littlest one's sandals, 2 pairs of glasses. I guess no one here really knows this, but I do wear glasses to see long distances. So when I'm driving, I need to wear my glasses, and here is 1 pair. I love them. And then my second pair are my sunglasses, and I love these as well. And they are prescription. Super cute. So I keep those in my bag at all times. So I have a normal pair and a sunglass pair. I have my nursing cover, which the little one absolutely hates using a cover, but Mommy doesn't. I have some Melties, which are her favorite things to snack on. I dropped a dollar bill. I don't even know I have a crumpled up dollar bill. And in fact, I think they're almost empty. I have my rescue inhaler all prepped and ready because I actually had to use it just the other day. I have an extra outfit for the little one. Yes, it matches. They go together. It's so cute. I love little bunny butts. We have a cloth diaper. I thought I had an extra in here, but we just went out this morning and I used one. So I usually carry 3 cloth diapers on us, and then the wet bag so that when she has a dirty diaper, I can just put it into that one. And then as soon as we get home, I take that wet bag out and I put it into the laundry room. So I currently only have this in here. But like I said, I usually have 3 cloth diapers and a wet bag. I have a changing pad cover, a random baby spoon. I guess it's not too random because she is around that age where she's using spoons and forks and she is interested in it. In my back pocket, so that it's easy accessible, I actually have some Zofran that's fast acting. I have vertigo, so there's times where I really need my Zofran immediately and I don't want to have to dig into my bag, so it's just readily available. I have a makeup sponge. I have these little towels that my husband got from Japan, and whenever it's really hot out, I can just use it to dab myself, so I really love that. I have another lip product, and this is NYX Soft Matte Cream in London. I have some little micellar makeup remover. I have a first aid kit, just a little one. And then we have the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. Just a little one. And a random packet of Dayquil. And all of that is housed in this bag that is Tokidoki for Hello Kitty. My husband found these for me and I absolutely love them. But they're toward the bottom of my bag, so the kids really don't dig in here and I don't have to worry about medicine, which is great. So I have another matching bag, and in this bag I have more medicine type items. So we have Tylenol, or I'm sorry, acetaminophen, 500 milligrams because I always have headaches. I have EpiPens for my son because he's allergic to wasps and bee stings. We have a nail file, pads, wispies to floss and kind of like do a quick brushing. Another inhaler. That one is, this one has a steroid in it, so it also helps me if I'm having an emergency. We have Monistat Chafing Relief Powder Gel, because you just never know when you're going to have some chafing. We have Desitin Cream for the baby. Thieves Hand Sanitizer. Honestly, I think that one's like pretty much done for. I have Moleskin. Moleskin I keep on me at all times in case, like, you just never know when you're going to have a blister. So with that, I also have, I hope I didn't lose them. I used to have little scissors in here as well. Yeah, here they are. I carry little cuticle cutters to cut the moleskin. I have little moist wipes, more Band-Aids, more wisps, more wipes, another nail file, some moleskin that's already cut up. As you can see, more moleskin cut up, and a pad. Another couple of Dayquils, more moleskin, another hair tie. All right, and that's everything in that bag. That was a lot. I also have a pair of socks. So the last things I have are extra masks go in here. I have one for each kid, my husband, and then extra inserts for the masks. So I keep that on hand. And then in this bag, I have disposable diapers just in case, you know, little one isn't feeling too well and we need these, because cloth diapers aren't always the best for certain circumstances. So we'll just leave it at that. But that is everything inside my bag. If I'm going out by myself, I don't bring the whole diaper bag. I actually just grab this purse and take out what I need from this bag and put it into this one. Like, this one's completely empty right now. So I don't just carry a diaper bag all the time, but I still carry a rather large bag because I'm a female and I like to carry a lot of things with me. I hope that was interesting for you, just to see what I carry with me at all times. I know I like to see what people carry with them, and it was a good reason to clean my bag. So I appreciate you going through this journey with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a lovely week wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye.